How daring are you in this film?
Daring. I'd like to think it's within context. May isang point kasi doon na parang yung pinaka-climax ng film, it has to parang, I don't know if I can reveal it, pero medyo marahas yung gagawin. And it entailed for me to like, pero
Where?
not totally. It was, I'd like to, siguro, may exposure siya. Pero hindi siya in a way na parang nag-expose for nothing.
For nothing, pero kasama sa script.
May love scene kami ni Ate si Janice.
So you lack lips with Janice?
Ha?
Did you lack lips with Janice?
Ate Janice!
Pero nag-kiss kayo?
How do you describe your love scene with Janice?
Very what Direct wanted was to show yung tenderness ng relationship ng lesbian couple. It's not, parang syempre, hindi naman tayo familiar. Maraming mga tao, lagi yung mga tanong, like, how do you make love? Paano kayo? So, it was very, hindi siya matagal, pero I'd like to think na parang na-achieve naman namin. We had to get to the point where we were both comfortable. Ni Ate Jenny, syempre, hindi naman siya sanay sa mga ganito rules. I mean, ganung ka-daring na mga scenes. Ako, kahit pa paano, in my past films, medyo, I've been a wild person. I've been a wild, parang sex attend, tapos naging manipulative na, So, medyo masanay ako sa mga ganung klase, mga mapupusok ng mga scenes, So, we just really had to trust each other. And, sabi ko sa kanya, Ate Janice, hindi tayo talo.
Tapos nang sinagkatawa na, ano naging reaction niyo after nung love scene?
This was the very, very, very last scene na tinake namin sa buong pelikula. Like, as in, literally after this, it's a wrap, yung gano'n. Nag-kiss kami kasi, ganyan. So, parang, after the scene, parang,
Nagkinilig mo?
hindi dinig, pero parang after the, parang nagkatingin na kami na, okay na. Kasi medyo, yung positioning namin, we're back siya. Pero talaga after nun, natapos na parang mas nakahinga talaga siya na. Because it was, pinanood namin sa monitor.
One take na?
Mga 2 takes.
Balik natin yung exposure. Breast ba to? Pinakita.
Ako,
Si Janice meron din?
wala,
Ikaw lang.